Hello, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. It's the time for having fun, so be ready to do your English project. First of all, you have to choose a topic that you are interested in, to search for, and to do a project about. You can choose from different English topics like volunteering, social media, bullying, smoking, violence. You can even choose violence as your own topic. You can choose it to be specific, like violence in school or school violence, violence against women, and many other different topics. You can also choose a topic about drugs, teenagers, countries that you can choose. For example, you can choose one country and give us information about it, about the culture, about education there, and about different things that you are interested in. So once you choose your English topic, you have to prepare a cover page for your project. As you see here, you can start it with your school name, Madian High School. Here you can write your name. My name is the following, your teacher, my teacher, and the topic that you have chosen, and the school year, of course, 2020 to 2021. The first paper or the first page that you have to include into your project is the introduction. What can you write in the introduction? First of all, you have to introduce yourself. Who am I? My name is the following. I'm a 12th grader and I'm doing my English project on the following topic. So you have to state your own topic, the topic that you have chosen, and to tell us why you have chosen this specific topic, which means the motive behind choosing this topic. Once you write your introduction, and I'm sure that you will write a very beautiful and marvelous introduction about the topic. So here you have to write your own topic. And the body, on the project body, you have to give me a definition about your topic, what you mean by your topic, facts about it, some notes that you have searched and found on the internet, for example. So for instance, if you choose to write about, let's say, volunteering, so you have to define what volunteering is, what violence is, what bullying is. You have to give it a holistic definition and give some information about it, facts, notes, and other things as you see here in the following slide. So you have, or you can write background information about the topic, types, if you, for example, have different types of violence like physical violence, verbal violence, psychological, sexual violence. So you have to state your types here. You can also write about the advantages, disadvantages, benefits of volunteering, for example, or of social media. So if you choose if you choose a topic about social media, Facebook in specific or in particular, so you have, of course, you have to write about the advantages of Facebook and the disadvantages that may have on people or on the community where you live. The next slide is your conclusion. In the conclusion section, you can summarize the main points raised in your project. You can also give advice or some advice about the topic for your readers and recommendations. What you recommend people to do regarding the topic that you have chosen. And in the last section, you have to state or to mention the sources that you depend on in order to collect information from. So in the sources section, you have to write which sources of information you used. You can have many different sources like the internet, depending on Google site. You can collect information from books, for example, from articles, from interviews. So this is the sources section, and it's your option. It's your option to include the appendix section in your project. So if you are interested to give me some pictures, or to include some pictures or graphs about the topic, so you can. It's a pleasure to do so. That's all for now. So good luck, and I hope that you will enjoy your time. Thank you.